Today I will be testing out a new mode of transport. You may remember from one of my earlier vlogs that I enjoy riding on bicycles. However, they are designed for humans, not for space travelers, so we needed to figure out a better method of riding. Well, I headed down to the shop to see what I had handy, and here we are. This is my new transport rig. Do not be alarmed. Peter told me that when you looked at this rig, you would be concerned because it may appear to choke me. First, I live inside this rigid exosuit, and it's designed to survive massive forces. It could never be damaged by any terrestrial source. On top of that, I don't respirate or breathe the way you humans do. I absorb sulfur and various other elements in through my membrane layer, or what you would call skin. At any rate, this is an exciting new development. I'm looking forward to taking some bicycle rides. It is a great way to take chemical samples from your atmosphere and gives me an interesting view of your planet. Spending most of today at the office. Lots to get to and get organized on. A couple big things happening this week. I'm taking delivery of some rather large components in the shop this week, safety equipment that will be used on an upcoming installation of solar panels. I'll also be visiting a couple of active solar installations next week, so I will have more to share on those soon. As always, I want to make sure to keep you motivated and inspired. Here's my thought for today on that note. I have heard you humans say, as soon as you are born, you are dying. This is technically true, but you should not fear death. Reorganization comes for all organic beings. You must accept it. This is not a simple thing, and you must take your time and really let it sit with you. But once you have let it wash over you, the realization that you are only temporary, then you will be able to step back and consider what your purpose is and what you want to do. Accept death, and you will find your mission. This is challenging, but worthwhile. Humans.